traders, this DAX. So this morning I got stopped out on a long, got a buy signal on the floor of the range. They did a 50% gap fill and turned around at 410. Here we are at 525 with no fade. So yeah, a couple of half an hours pushing to the upside, sideways, another quarter of an hour. Here we are, just 10 minutes from the 2 o'clock, and still pushing higher. So I'm going to need this Dow to at least pull back part of the way. 680 was yesterday's high. It now looks as if I'm going to be lucky to see 750. So I will be patient and see if I can get a dip. 60 minutes on the Dow was just a bit of a mess yesterday. It started pumping up at 8 o'clock in the morning. One move into last week's highs, drifting back, and then we get the punch up in the morning. So getting a lot of moves in the Dow futures in the European session over the last few weeks. So let's hope that can work. I got a move in the pound US, sold it right up at this 370, 5 pips off of the R1 pivot, and then we came back down to the main daily pivot. We got on the 15-minute chart, it was a really nice 127 extension reversal, and they're one of my favorite setups. Indicators were high. If you see it, if you come into the market, I've said this many times, come into the market quite high, chances are they're at least going to want to drag it down to support before they start finding buyers. Again, no fade. I was looking for a 350 fade, we've not got it, so let's see what that one can do. Any highs in that one I would sell. So DAX is right back up to the Sunday open, 527 as we speak. So if we can get higher and get a sell signal up here around the 620 mark, that will be an opportunity to sell. But as you can see from these charts, it's the season to buy basically. Bottom line is, we're in the US earnings season. The earnings are coming in nice and strong, and it's brushing aside any other news and issue and getting bought. Alright, so yeah, I'm on just a reminder of the weekly that we talked about on the DAX. That was my prediction that we get up to 800 and potentially 13,150 for this before we get a structural failure to the downside again. Alright, so in terms of exact numbers then, the DAX is already just running away. 477 was the pullback at midday, 12 o'clock. I just got to hope that Dow pulls back. Stocks, if we look at, where are we? The main stocks, Facebook is picking up. The banks, yeah, sorry, we're looking at very small time frames, aren't we? This looks as if this could get back up to 73. This is Citibank, Citigroup, Bank of America. It looks as if that could get back to 31.85. Goldman Sachs, punching higher. Looks as if it can get back to these highs at this rate. Okay, so let's see what the market gives us, and I'll talk to you later and try and update you later. Bye for now.